Okay, welcome. In this lesson, we are going to look at how to move a worksheet from one workbook to other workbook. For this purpose, I have opened two workbooks. One is Excel exercise 1 and the other one is classwork. Now let us say I want to move this sorting sheet from this workbook to the Excel exercise workbook, and I want to move it specifically in the beginning or before this readme worksheet in Excel exercise 1 workbook. Now how do you do that? Okay, it's pretty simple. You go to Excel class workbook and go to this sorting name that is written to this worksheet, then right click on this name, and here you would see option called as move or copy. Click on that, and then you can directly move the sheet or you can create a copy. It is preferred that you create a copy. Before that, let us look at what this pop-up has to say. So move selected sheet to book. So now here by default it is the class workbook to which this sheet belongs. Now in the drop down you would find two options. So you can either click a new workbook, in that case a new workbook would be created, or you say Excel exercise 1 workbook. In this I want to move it before readme sheet, and for that matter you can choose any other option including move to end. So in this case I am saying that I want to move it before the readme sheet in the Excel exercise 1 workbook. Then the next option is create a copy. Okay, if you don't click on this create a copy option, this sheet will be entirely moved from the classwork book, and classwork workbook will not anymore have this sorting sheet available, and it may lead to confusion, or it may lead to some anonymity, or it may lead to some problems to individual who is working on this class worksheet. So what you can do is you can simply say create a copy, so that a copy will be retained in the class workbook and a new copy will be created in Excel exercise 1 workbook. After doing that, simply click OK, and you will see that you're already into Excel exercise 1 workbook and your sorting sheet is available over here. That's about it. Pretty simple to move a workbook from a sheet across the workbooks, and you would see that sorting sheet is still available under classwork book. That's about it. Thank you.